If your YouTube channel is slowing down, I think I can help you fix this. In the month of May, I did a test for about 8 days, and I had posted 28 videos with a mixture of long-form content and YouTube Shorts as well. And out of those 28 videos that I had posted, I received a total of 8,000 views along with 11 subscribers. I did not make any AdSense money on those, and that's probably my fault for not spending enough time worrying about the quality. But I want to say in my favor that YouTube is rewarding me by pushing out my videos through the YouTube algorithm. And the algorithm seems to like when you are posting constantly. Now, I know a lot of us are struggling with views. I'm one of those creators that's struggling to get views here on YouTube. And I found out that the more you post, the more views you will get. That makes sense, right? Now, depending on what type of niche or niche you're in can depend upon how much money, how much AdSense money you will make. I'm not here for AdSense money. I am here to grow my YouTube channel and to get more views and to help viewers do the same. So I have a feeling that if you start posting more often on YouTube, I'm not saying post 28 videos within 8 days, but if you can, I'm telling you, you are going to see results. Of course, do your homework with your title, and I think you'll be on your way. Now, one of the things I started doing, there's actually 2 things I started doing. I started using a generic video description. I'm not even doing a video description that is ranking for my title. And the second thing that I'm doing to help drive views, which again, 8,000 views out of 28 videos. Now, of course, out of the 8,000, it's a mixture of some of my old videos and my new videos that I had posted out of those 28, but a majority of the views are coming from the 28 videos that I had posted. And the other thing that I'm doing that is working is no tags. I am not doing any tags at all. And I seem to be going through the YouTube algorithm by just having a generic description along with no tags on my videos. I found out a couple of videos that I had tested when I had did different video descriptions along with using tags. Those video views were extremely low, and I had found out that the videos are getting more views with generic description along with no tags. If you want to go to one of my videos descriptions and just copy and paste it, try it. If you're into YouTube growth, try it. See if that works for you. And if you're in a different niche or niche, just copy it and paste it and just edit it to whatever your niche or niche is and see if it works. And try posting with no tags. Again, sometimes tags are helpful and sometimes tags are not helpful. In my case, I'm finding that tags are not helpful, at least from what I'm discovering. And I found out, again, I'm getting more views. Of course, to get more views, you're going to have a really good title on your video as well. The title is really going to matter if you're not going to use a description to match the title or actually use any tags. The title is a big factor in getting these views of 8,000. Now, if you want to see how I did that, check out the video on the screen, because this video is going to give you a deep dive of my analytics and my results from those 28 videos.